Hello guys, welcome back to Scratch Tutorials. It's the part number 16 and today we are going to do sensing part number 2. As the previous video we have done the touching mouse pointer as well as the distance of the mouse pointer and touching the edge. And today's video we will do some coloring as well as some key space pressed. So let's try our first block, this touching color D. Let's take these both blocks, here we go. Now let's write variety of sprites is being here. Let's take this sprite. I'll take this beer. Bit smaller, here goes to large 70 size or 170. I think 170. Here we go. A bit normal size now. So now what I'm going to tell you is that when the space key pressed, if remember that sensing the blocks are mostly converted into his hexagon inputs here, and you can only use them in if then or if then else block. If touching color this one, the cyan color or aqua, what you want, the sensing color, then you have to say play them say meow. Okay, and so this is a big equation now. When the space key pressed, if touching the color cyan, here we go, and then you have to play the sound meow until then. Now let's add a backdrop, here we go. As you can remember, in the last video we have done something like this one. In the last video we have done the cat, the duck through which the form, and then we move by space key as when it touches the edge and it says oh, game over, something like that. But today we are going to do similar like that but a bit different. I'll tell you why. I can say I can move the sprite, I can touch these edges, but when I say that there's edge one, if touching edge, then I can stop. But I want that if it touches the bushes here, and then it will say that play the sound or say something like that. So what I can do is to take the color, simple. It says green color. Let's take this green color a bit here and with acceleration and brightness. Here we go. But as you can see, it's not working still. How it should make this simple color as easy as to make the same colors is to grab this one and take this notebook here, and from here, which the color around the perimeter of the circle will allow you. Like I touched this brown color and now it's the brown color, but I want to take this green, so here we go. And now this is the exact color of the bush, and now when I touch it, oh sorry, when the space key pressed, as you can see, it's playing the sound meow as according to the code. So this is a bit here, it's a bit technique how to make this play sound meow. So what is the function of this block? Suppose you want not this cat but this bear to touch this sprite. So what you can do is to go to if then situation, if then else. I take, if let's use this color drop again and take the same color the bear. If this color is touching, let's say cyan, here we go, and this block here, right here, if this color is touching this color, then you have to play the sound, not the meow one. Let's see, you have to then say, then you have to say I have touched the sky. As you can see, I have touched the sky now. And else you can do is simple. You have to then point in you can just change by Y button. Not like, I think we should just say him this equation then. Say I am on the ground. Okay. Now, so as you can see now, let's start our project here. A bit complicated stuff here we're going. So let's just remove this block here. By the way, I don't need this block anymore, and join this one. So now what I am particularly playing here is that when the space key is being pressed, if this brown bear or brown color touches the cyan color, then you have to say I have touched the sky. Else, if you have not touched that color or anything else, then you have to say I'm on the ground. So let's test it. I'm here and not hitting the blue color, and I press the speed. It's saying, but the code is not working on the bear. What does it mean? Well, you have to then broadcast it. Let's use our broadcast simple message 1, and here we have to broadcast new message like it's in ground. Here we go, ground message done. And then when I receive ground, or when I receive message 1, which is according on the I have touched the sky, then you have to say this one. And when you have broadcast ground, then you have to say something like that. I want just smaller 778. Easy enough. So now when I touch this cat, I'm on the ground, and then it says 789 because it's on the ground, so 789. Here we go. So it's particularly working. When this color, now I'll take this to the sky, the cyan color, and when I'll press this, I'm on the ground, and here it will say 789. So this is the scratch tutorials here done. So let's forever delete this sprite cat, and then I have an idea. I just remove this here and also remove this bear and take this apple. Here we go, apple come. Now it is another way to, instead of just you can say when the space press, then you have to change void and like that. You can also like do this. It's a bit big formula, but it's simple. Controls. Take these 4 if-then situations. Here we go. Take these 4 if-then situations, and now in the sensing block, key spring pressed. If the up arrow pressed, if the down arrow pressed, if the left arrow pressed, and if the right arrow pressed. So now it's a bit simpler to the done we have done in the events. You have then change x, no, not here. You have change x by 10 minus 10, change x by 10 here, and then in this one minus 10. Up arrow change y by 10, and a down arrow is change y by minus 10. So let's try our project. Here we go. So when I press this, oh wait, it's moving like that. There we go, it's moving very perfectly. So what is that missing here? So I hope you entertain the video. Please like, subscribe and share it. I hope you are good. Bye.